most definitely. Where is that? We gonna get in, comb this style out. That's a big body curl. So she can go give it up for her birthday, Valentine's Day. All that good stuff.
It would rain.
Huh?
I said it would rain.
Huh?
I said it would rain in Gainesville.
Oh, we'll try to rain on your parade.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't raining out that night.
No.
Because Miss Pat would have came back in here like, y'all, it's raining out that door. So she didn't do that, so I know it ain't raining. But y'all, we gonna get into this curl out. Good old hand curl action. I hate turning this. Trying to get around this chair. There's a tight little beam right here. Tight little beam. Just hold still. Put your feet flat. Sit all the way up. Sit up. Why y'all trying to be lazy? Y'all better go tonight. Trying to be lazy, y'all. What they be going through. Responsible for each breath we take. Just pray and then leave it there. Oh, maybe you lost our hope. Can't see past too much. Get into these curls. Maybe I'm lost. I think y'all gonna get tired of me saying get into these curls. Beautiful. Thank you, Teresa. Oh, y'all made it back quick. Just about all y'all that was that let me know y'all knows. Y'all thought I was gonna come back over here with some juicy gospel. Not playing. It was coming back. Y'all came back quick too. All of y'all. If everybody on here that was on the last live, just let me see some red hearts if y'all was on the last live. Let's give me some red hearts. Let's see some red hearts. Y'all was on the last live. Okay. It's about all of y'all. Which one of y'all? Oh, God. My client trying to be a professional model right now. She better look in the mirror so she say, ooh, that's pretty.
I sure am.
Her favorite words. But y'all see how we put that color in there? Look at that color. You don't got to turn your head. Look at that color. Look how pretty that color is, y'all. Look at that. Juicy. Juicy. the righteous. I heard her. She sure am. That's my girl. That's my girl. I don't know why she act like I ain't rough. Like, I don't have to move their head. Like, she forgot or something. Only thing different is the area code in the shop. Everything is still the same. Still gonna say, oh, her gum sound like it's good. Even though we got the same gum, but she make her gum sound like it's good.
JoJo.
She do, y'all. She make it sound like it's good. Like her gum more juicier than mine. I don't like it. Like, I gotta get a new piece just to see if this piece was just bad. For real. I gotta get a new piece just to see if this piece was bad. But y'all get into it. Get into that side. You see that side? What side y'all like? The combed out side or the side that's still a little rough?
A little rough.
She talking about, I want the same style you did, and I done improved on my hair curls. Like, I hate when people want something that I did before I got good at something. I hate it.
It was good then. But
still, like, it's a different look now. You'll see when you look. Like, it's like I know what to do now. Even though it was still, it was what's that word? Like, it was passable. And, you know, it was good for where I was then. But right now, you should be expecting more from me. Like, don't let me just do your hair. So you're supposed to see that. You're supposed to see how I'm improving on the social media and be like, this is what I expect. I always expected from you, Joe. Like, I was good then, but like now you should be, like when you book, you should be like, Joe. And see, y'all really should be expecting a lot from me because I learned how to do a lot of stuff on y'all. And a lot of stuff on y'all, a lot of stuff that I did on y'all was what people was booking. I want my hair like hers. Because you know how people think people your favorite, but they don't know I do y'all like I do everybody. I don't be talking like this the whole time. So when I go live with y'all, it look like I do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It look like you're more special to me.
I'm glad you're talking about it. Because half the time I be sleeping.
Right, she be sleep the whole time just about.
I just wake up sleep.
Half time she wake up, don't even know where she be at. All she knows, I be about to knock her head off like, girl, hold your head right. And she be like, where you want me, Joe? Where you want me? That's all she do. The whole appointment. Oh, but where you want me?
Shoot.
But other than that, y'all, it's just happy. But yeah, y'all shouldn't be like booking and just be like, oh, do this same style you did on me like 2 years ago. Like, now you should be saying, okay, I see you done improved this technique. I think you just know it was going to be good or whatever. Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't never have an issue.
Of course not. I don't know. Y'all know what I'm saying, don't y'all? Facebook. Y'all know what I'm trying to say, right? Wake up, slave, right. Yeah, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Well, I'm trying to get her to understand, like.
I understand growth, but I'm just saying, I was good.
Like, yeah, but you ain't feeling me, though. Yeah. I always gotta do too much. I think that's why they like me. Because all of us extra. All of us. I miss her sisters, because her sister real can be really extra. Hold on now. True. Wait, that phone call got to wait.
No, I ain't talking. I'm just checking to make sure she at the door.
Oh, making sure it's her at the door.
Mm-hmm.
real. She's talking about, I understand growth, but yeah, it was good.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all get into this curl out. Y'all look at it. Look at it.
Yeah, come across the street. Come to the hair salon. You get what I mean? It's like a 10 millimeter. I sent you that.
Y'all get into it. Get into it. Hold on now. Making a sudden movements. But make sure y'all share the live for me.
Oh, you can take it now.
Share the live. Share the live. Share the live. Oh, I know y'all seen how pretty that got. Y'all seen that? Look. Oh, it's the juice, Ebony. Juice! Ebony, look up.
Ooh, I ain't see the phone right there. Ooh,
Y'all
that's
look.
pretty.
You better go down there. You don't got no choice.
Look at her. Looking like she looking. Y'all get into it. Evangelist Ebony. Ebony say you play too much. Y'all get into it. Get into it, baby. That's a word. Y'all better act like y'all know it. Look at it soft. It's so soft. Ugh. All right, y'all. We out.